Hey guys, what's happening? How to solve CapCut's no internet connection issues. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and make sure to check your internet connection, right? If your Wi-Fi is not working, just switch to cellular data if you have one, right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings, go to the general, iPhone storage, then you're gonna try to pin down CapCut. You're gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files, and you're gonna keep your basically your credentials, right? Next, what you're gonna do, go ahead and open up your CapCut. All right. Now, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit the settings at the top. Let me try, or click me at the bottom right here, and click the settings gear at the top right. Okay. Make sure to clear that cache, right? Clear cache won't delete your drafts, and you're gonna just go ahead and clear cache, okay? And basically that should fix your problem. So let's turn on the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.